1. Pistons. These move up and down in the cylinders, driven by the explosive force of the fuel mixture. The pistons are connected to the crankshaft, which converts the up and down motion into rotary motion. The pistons also help to draw in air and fuel, and push out exhaust gases. 2. Cylinders. These are the chambers where the magic happens, where fuel is burned to produce power. The cylinders are arranged in a line or in a V-shape, and the engine may have anywhere from 2 to 12 cylinders depending on its size and application. Inside the cylinders, a mixture of air and fuel is ignited, causing a small explosion that pushes the piston down. 3. Crankshaft. This converts the up and down motion of the pistons into rotary motion, which is then transmitted to the transmission and eventually the wheels. The crankshaft is a critical component that helps to smooth out the engine's power output. 4. Camshaft. This operates the valves that allow air and fuel into the cylinders and exhaust gases out. The camshaft is typically driven by the crankshaft via a timing belt or chain, and its lobes push the valves open and closed at the right time. 5. Valves. These control the flow of air and fuel into the cylinders and exhaust gases out. The valves are typically operated by the camshaft and are designed to withstand high temperatures and pressures. There are usually two types of valves: intake valves for air and fuel and exhaust valves for exhaust gases. 6. Spark plugs. These ignite the fuel mixture in the cylinders, producing the small explosion that drives the piston down. Spark plugs are typically used in gasoline engines, while diesel engines use compression ignition. 7. Fuel injectors. These spray fuel into the cylinders at the right time, providing the fuel mixture that's ignited by the spark plug. Fuel injectors are usually controlled by the engine computer, ECU, and can be adjusted for optimal performance and efficiency. 8. Engine block. This is the main housing for the engine's components, including the cylinders, pistons, and crankshaft. The engine block is typically made of cast iron or aluminum and provides a solid foundation for the engine. 9. Cylinder head. This sits on top of the engine block and provides a mounting point for the valves, spark plugs, and fuel injectors. The cylinder head also helps to direct airflow and fuel flow into the cylinders. 10. Timing belt/chain. This synchronizes the rotation of the crankshaft and camshaft, ensuring that the valves open and close at the right time. Timing belts are typically made of rubber and need to be replaced at regular intervals, while timing chains are metal and can last longer. 11. Oil pump. This circulates engine oil throughout the engine, lubricating moving parts and helping to cool the engine. The oil pump is usually driven by the crankshaft or camshaft. 12. Water pump. This circulates coolant through the engine, helping to regulate its temperature.